Hello, welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to check likes on X. Open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and go to your profile. As you can see, your profile is divided into several sections right here. You want to go to Likes tab, and here you will see every single post that you have ever liked. And this tab is only visible for you now. It's completely private and no one else can check your likes, even your followers. So I mean nobody. Only you can see that. And vice versa, you cannot view someone else's likes tab anymore, because yes, as I said, it's now private. But sometimes posts that you liked may still show up in your followers feed. Right here on the homepage at the top you should see following section, and here will be displayed all the posts that someone you follow liked, and it may say that this user liked this post. Yeah, and that's essentially the only way how someone can see that you liked a specific post, but there is no way for them to browse your full likes tab on your profile. But if you want to save posts, for example, without liking them at all, but if you want to still save them, you should use bookmark feature in the below the post. So you should see specific post and tap this bookmark icon below it, and this will save this post to your bookmarks section, which you can find if you tap your profile picture. And here you see section bookmarks, and boom, this is the post that I have just saved. Yeah, so that's completely private, 100% private, and no one can see that you have saved this post. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.